Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily shoot slow motion video at 240 FPS on MOTOROLA Edge Neo. So first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna unlock the phone. Once we unlock it, we're gonna open up the settings, and here, sorry, not settings, but the camera, and here we want to scroll down to slow motion. So you should either have it in more, or if you brought it up here to the bottom, then you will have it at the bottom here. So I do have it here. As you guys can see, it's full HD 120 frames per second, and if you want to change it, you can just tap on it. Now it's HD in 240, so you lose some of the quality, and you gain 120 FPS more. So now you can record in basically slow motion, so it'll be 240 frames per second. So as you guys can see, now I'm gonna grab the phone and let's see if the slow motion really worked here. As you guys can see, it's really slow, so that's how we know that it worked, and that's how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.